Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subs, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Happy Saturday to you all. It's a cold one here in Texas. We are expecting ice. So, I've been chilled out today. I've been out here in the beach doing a few things to the 55. So, I decided to give you guys a unboxing video, which is a lot of you guys notice how my channel started doing unboxing. So, I'm going back to the basics. We're going to do an unboxing on this 79 GMC record, Captain Hook. I didn't know that Captain Hook was a actual tow truck that was produced. I didn't know that. So that's what this truck is based off of. When I do build this, I don't know if I'm going to build a Captain Hook or not. Maybe I will. If I do, I have different tires to put on it. It's a different style tire, rim, should I say? A different style rim to put on this. So let me go ahead and open this up. Show you guys the box. So this was produced in. This was let's see, 2025. All right, so we got the Captain Hook, level 4. 1/25 scale. Here's all the pictures. Let's crack it open. All right. So that's how it is in the box, y'all. Thing got a sunroof in it. A lot of these square body model kits have sunroofs in them. Yep. So all right. Let's see what we got. I'll move this out the way. Let's mess with these. Let's get these tires out the way. So you have 2 steer tires and 4 rear tires. And these are no brand tires. That's all how they look, just like that. Alright, so we're gonna move these out the way. Let's see. Alright, so got your windshield with your quarter windows and your rear window, and this would be the strobe lights at the top. So that's the clear tree. That's gotta be weird to have a sunroof in a tow truck, right? So we got one big pack here. Let's crack it open. Oh man, y'all hang on. Alright, so I had to reposition. Alright, so there's the back of the truck. Got the light molded in and whatever this is supposed to be molded in. This is for your bump, your rear. I guess that's where your tow package hooks up at here. So that's the back. Alright, so here's the cab. You got the hose for the place for the mirror. Sunroof in the tow truck. Visor. Molded engine block with the manifolds, and this is what I don't like. It's got the fan, all that stuff in it. Windshield wipers, looks like a jack here. Has your brake reservoir, like a reservoir here, and some kind of power unit here, look like. Yeah, I don't like this design, the way they got this. So as y'all know, I'm probably going to cut out the entire thing. Just cut it out. So I can put me a real engine block in here. So I would probably cut it out in here and back here and right here. That way I'll be able to put, and I'll probably use a donor kit. I'll probably use one of those other square body kits. I got a few of them that I can use, but most definitely I'm going to cut this out. Alright, there's your bed, there's your hood. This is the rear bumper that's going to snap in here. And this is, oh, you know what? This goes on top of the sunroof. Yep, let's see. Because there's your lights and stuff like that. So I guess that's cool if you want a tow truck that has a sunroof. You can leave this off, but you will not have your clearance lights. And your clearance lights go in there. So there we go. That took care of the sunroof problem. And that's good because you're able to take, and then your strobe lights go up here at the top. So that's cool. You're able to take this off and paint the lights the way you need to. And you won't have to worry about painting them on the truck, you know, on the roof. It's much easier if you can, you know, you're able to take it off and, you know, paint it like that. So that's cool. Alright, so there's your cab back here. There is this is look like it's part of the cab back too here. And my God, what are these? It said GMC Captain Hook, wherever they are. I don't know where these go, but they're here. Like we got some engine tow parts here. Like we probably got a winch here. Yeah, that looks to be all your tow parts here. I'm sorry, y'all, and I'm not able to name them, but I'm not familiar with tow trucks like that. To where I could just eyeball everything. So that's nice. That grill, what I first noticed, is cut out. The vents are cut out, so that's nice. There's your hook, your control handles, air cleaner. These are the bed rails right here. You got your air horns. Got your another, look like a shifter here. There's the wheels that I would never use. They go both of your mirrors with the antennas. sorry, y'all. There's your chassis with the built-in bottom part of the engine, which I will cut out. It's got the... Oh man, I hate when they have all that stuff is molded in. I hate it. But I'm gonna cut all this out. All of it's coming out. I'm going to try to cut the exhaust system out too, so I can put new ones. There's your rubber toe protector. I think that's a bumper protector or something like that. There's the intake. And here's the bumper, the front grill that goes in the front. So they had that folded. So these are wheel backs. There's your wheel backs. There's your dashboard. Wait a minute now. Why? Oh, you know, I'm looking at that wrong. Man, y'all forgive me. I was like, wait a minute. This is right-hand drive. It shouldn't be, but ran with the dry shaft. These look like to be mud flaps here. And there's your square body dashboard. Interior tub, front end, steering wheel, which I will not use that steering wheel. I'll try to find me a regular CT and steering wheel. Or square body, whatever your choice of calling it. There's the decals. And that paper is stuck on here. But there's your Captain Hook decals. Don't come with no license plates or nothing like that. It's just got all the decals, the mud flap decals, the hood decals on it. And you got a set of instructions. As my buddy Justin say, suggestions. That's exactly what they are. So this is a 20-step build. So, you know, depending on what kind of builder you are, it shouldn't take that long to build. All right. And it looks like you have to paint those lights up there orange. So I got some testers turn signal orange that'll be good on there. So all right, so yeah, I will be I will be taking out that I'll be cutting out the engine off of here, so let me get this boxed up and I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I probably can use this comes from the 76 Chevy Sport step side. There's so many different options. There's so many different options that I can use. This one sits a little bit taller than this. I'm guessing because it's probably because of the rack that goes up here. But I can use I can probably use this. I can probably use this cab. I could probably use the Revel, the 70. Oh man, what is it? I have one, the street truck. I could probably use that one, or the snowplow truck cab. I probably can use that one. It just depends on if they're the same size as this one, but the 76 Chevy Sport, that one is a 1/24 scale, and this one is a 25th scale. In some cases, it's not a big deal, but it's not a big size difference. But I think that's why this one's a little taller, because it's 1/24. So but I still can possibly use it if I want to not cut all this out. But I mean, as you can tell, you can see what I got to do. I got to get it to where it, looks like this. So I might not waste this. I might just go ahead and cut it out. Just cut it out exactly how this one is. And I would probably use the engine from this too as well. Or better yet, I have some engines that I hadn't used yet that I got from my buddy Matt. So I might use an engine from the MCV product. So I have a bunch of Chevy engines that I hadn't used. So I might use that. So, all right, y'all. So that's it for me out here tonight. I've been working on the 55 a little bit, but hey, it's time to take it in now because it's getting cool out here. My foot is starting to hurt me, so I'm getting ready to go. So until next time, y'all, that's it. That's all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.